Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to make some extra cash on the side, this video is for you. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent or a student, there are plenty of ways to earn money online. So, let's get started. Freelancing. One of the best ways to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms and make money doing what you love. There are a variety of freelance jobs available, such as writing, graphic design, and web development. You can find freelance work on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to get started. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote someone else's product and receive a commission for every sale you make. You can find affiliate programs for almost any niche, from beauty products to software. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates and Commission Junction. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a blog or website with a large audience. Online surveys. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, online surveys are a great option. There are a variety of survey websites that pay you for your opinions, such as Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it's a good way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Selling products online. If you have a product or service to sell, you can make money by selling it online. You can create your own e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify or sell your products on websites like eBay and Amazon. It's important to do your research and find the right platform for your product. Teaching online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching it online. You can create online courses and sell them on websites like Udemy or create your own course and sell it on your website. You can also offer online tutoring services or create a YouTube channel and teach your skills for free. Blogging. Blogging is another popular way to make money online. If you have a passion for writing, you can start your own blog and make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and create high-quality content that will attract readers. Social media management. If you're good at social media, you can make money by managing social media accounts for businesses. Many businesses don't have the time or resources to manage their own social media accounts, so they outsource the work to freelancers. You can find social media management jobs on websites like Upwork and Freelancer. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are plenty of ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a full-time job or just some extra cash on the side, there's something for everyone. The key to success is finding something you're passionate about and putting in the work to make it successful. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.